Hello, how to solve for x from this given equation? X raised to power 1 over 4 plus x raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Solution. X raised to power 1 over 4 plus x raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Then x raised to power 1 over 4 plus x raised to power 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Let x raised to power 1 over 4 is equal to t, and x raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to t squared. Then here is t plus t squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's rearrange. T squared plus t minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula in this case is given as t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1. T is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then here t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square is 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, that is plus 4 over 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. Here t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4, that is 5 over 2. Then t is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, or t is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. But t squared is equal to x raised to power 1 over 2. Then let's work with this. T squared is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 squared. Then t squared is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Let's see. This is equal to minus 1 times minus 1, that is plus 1. Then minus 1 times root 5 minus root 5 plus root 5 times minus 1, that is minus root 5. Then plus root 5 times plus root 5, that is plus root 25 over 2 times 2, 4. Equal to 1 plus 5, that is 6, minus 2 root 5 over 4. Then you can divide this by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, that is 1. T squared is equal to 3 minus root 5 over 2. But t squared is equal to x raised to power 1 over 2, and we are looking for the value of x. Therefore, x raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. Then let's square both sides of this equation. X raised to power 1 over 2 square is equal to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2 square. This will cancel this. S is equal to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2 multiplied by 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. Then S is equal to 3 times 3, that is 9, minus 3 times root 5, that is 3 root 5, minus 3 root 5 plus square root of 25 over 2 times 2, that is 4. So here is S is equal to 9 minus 6 root 5 plus 5 over 4, which is equal to 14 minus 6 root 5 over 4. Then 2 here, 2 here, 7, 2 here, 3. S is equal to 7 minus 3 root 5 over 2. This is the final answer, or S is equal to 1 over 2 bracket 7 minus 3 root 5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step: like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.